She thought her dog had the flu, but the truth almost killed him. Emma thought her golden retriever, Max, just had a little cold. He was sneezing, tired, not eating much. Nothing serious, right? But just 48 hours later, Max was gasping for air at the emergency vet clinic. What went wrong? And how can you prevent this from happening to your dog? This is not just a story. It's a warning every dog owner needs to hear. Emma lived in Ohio. Her life revolved around Max, her 4-year-old golden retriever. He was energetic, playful, and always ready for belly rubs. But one rainy morning, Max seemed off. He didn't want his breakfast. He sneezed a few times, slept more than usual. Emma assumed it was just a doggy cold. She decided to wait it out, a decision she would deeply regret. By day 2, Max's condition had worsened. He was breathing heavily, wheezing, and refused water. His gums turned pale. His chest looked like it was working overtime just to breathe. Emma panicked and rushed him to the ER. The vet ran some quick tests and delivered chilling news. Max had pneumonia. But not just any pneumonia. A bacterial strain that spreads fast and can kill in hours. The culprit? Max had likely caught canine influenza, commonly known as dog flu. Emma had recently taken Max to a grooming salon where another dog had been coughing. She had no idea this virus could spread so easily through air, bowls, or even human hands. Emma had skipped the flu vaccine for Max, thinking it wasn't necessary. The vet told her, dog flu is real. It spreads fast, and yes, it kills. Dog flu, canine influenza virus, is highly contagious. Symptoms include coughing and sneezing, fever, loss of appetite, runny nose, lethargy. It spreads in dog parks, groomers, boarding kennels, anywhere dogs gather. Some dogs recover. Others get secondary infections, like pneumonia, which can be fatal. Here's how you can protect your dog. Get your dog vaccinated for canine influenza, especially if they go out in public. Avoid contact with sick dogs. Clean your dog's bowls and toys regularly. Watch for early signs. Don't wait. Act fast. Max survived, but barely. He spent 3 nights in an oxygen chamber and 2 weeks recovering. Emma now tells every pet parent, I almost lost Max because I ignored the signs. Please, don't wait like I did. If this story touched you or helped you learn something new, please like, share, and subscribe. Your share could save another pet's life. Comment below. Have you vaccinated your dog against flu?